Samir, the city of Bangui, consisting of 8 districts, arrondissements.
After then years of putting up with his foot fetish and snoring, he betrays like that?
Instead, why did you fall asleep? Oh. Samir. Why's Holly Whitish snoring in your office? Thank you. Help out Scott.
Because he knew that Scott would never forgive you.
Hello Scott.
Let's camera snoring of the Samir.
But one snore and you're back in the shower. 3, 2, 1.
What? Lizzie? The Central World Tree has also been interpreted as a representation of the band of the Milky Way.
Sorry Samir, just you snoring.